Hi, welcome to the letter connection drill from Unit 4, page 84. I'm only going to do the first 5 before erasing. So we will start with number 1, Ra, Ta, Alif, Da. So everything's independent. Here's Ra, here's the, here's Alif, and here's the. Pretty straightforward. Okay, number 2, start with Jim, Alif, Dal, Ra. Make the Jim green. Alif yellow, Dal red, and Ra can stay blue. Okay, number 3, Ha, Ra, Wow, and Ba. Okay, actually that was number 4. There you go. And we'll make Ha yellow, Ra red, Wow green. And to make things interesting, we'll make Ba orange. Okay, and for the real number 3, super easy. La, Ra, and Dal. So, just to be super clear, it's that one. Okay, and 5, Raja, Ra, Jim, Alif, Hamza on the line. So Ra is going to be orange, Jim yellow, Alif red, and Hamza will be green. So there you have it, 1 through 5. Take a good look, it's going away. Okay, starting with number 6. We start with Ba, Ha, Alif, Ra. Dot for the Ba. Ba is going to be yellow. Ha is going to be blue. And I'll make Alif red. And Ra purple. And it spells Bahar, sailor. Okay, number 7. And if you didn't notice, I made these little things because we don't have numbers. Okay, this is like super obvious how to write this. Start with the Alif, with the Hamza, and Za, and then Wow, Alif, and Jim. Now for number 8. We have Hudud, which means borders. So we start with the Ha, and then Dal, and then Wow, and then Dal. So I'm just going to point out the Ha and the Dal. So here's Ha, and Dal is going to be blue. And the rest of them should be obvious, so moving on to number 9. 9 is again super simple. We have ra, dal, wow. So you connect it, I have a bad habit, and dal. So should be obvious to you. And number 10, yay! Okay, so we start with ta, kind of floating in mid-air. Ha, la, ya, ra. Okay, ta is going to be orange. And hat is going yellow. That can be red. And of course, I'm always using green and red together. So yeah, it's going to go green. And let's just let ra be blue. Take a good look, because we're moving on to the last set. Okay, number 11, super easy. Alif with hamza, then dal, then wow, then alif, then ra. No connecting letters, totally obvious. Just a note, my dal is a little big because I'm writing on my iPad, so it makes it hard to keep the proportions right. Anyway, moving on. Okay, so we start this one, number 12, with ya floating, then jim on the line, then ra, and then jim independent at the end. So ya gets its dots, jim gets its dot. Jim was a little ugly, so I redid it. So anyway, I'm gonna make ya red. And of course my Christmas colors. So jim is in green. Ra is in yellow. And the final jim is in blue. So just to be super clear, if I write it for you really big, it would be like this. Ya, jim, ra, jim. Yay, number 13, next to last. So start it with the ta floating, because we're going to write the jim. Ta, jim, alif, ra, ba. Ta gets dots, jim gets its dot. Ta is going to be green. And I'm going Halloween, so jim is going to be orange. And alif will be gray. Don't quite know what happened right there, but alif is gray. Ra can be yellow. And ba is staying blue because it feels blue. Okay, last one. Yay, hallelujah, alhamdulillah. Start with the, and then ba is up floating, and then ha is on the line, and then ta. Okay, sa will be in yellow. Ba is orange. hat is green. And ta is going to be purple. Not much of a contrast there, but you can tell. And just to be clear, that was number 14. And we're done. Yay!